Good morning, children. Welcome back to your computer class. Children, in previous class, we had learned how to convert decimal number into binary number. Today, we are going to learn how to convert binary number into decimal number. So let's start. So in today's video, we are going to see how we can convert binary number into its equivalent decimal number. It is binary to decimal conversion. Children, as you know that binary numbers are those having base 2 and decimal numbers are those having base 10. So let's take one example. 1011. 1011 to the base 2. We want to convert to its equivalent form to the base 10. It's very simple. So children, first what we have to do, we just have to note down the weights of 2. From right to left, the given number. See, rightmost digit is 1. So its weight would be 2 raised to 0, and we will multiply the weight by given digit. Same way, the second digit is again 1. So we will write here 1 into 2 raised to 1. Third digit is 0. So we will write here 0 into 2 raised to 2. Fourth digit is 1. So we will write here 1 into 2 raised to 3. So from right to left, when we move in the digits, the weights of 2 go on increasing. This is 2 raised to 0, 2 raised to 1, 2 raised to 2, 2 raised to 3. Now we all know that x raised to 0, any number to the power 0 is always equal to 1. So whenever we come across 2 raised to 0, it will be considered as 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2. 2 to the power 1 means 2. 2 square means 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 raised to 3 means 2 cube, that is 2 into 2 into 2 3 times will be 8. These are the powers of 2 or weights of 2. They go on increasing as we move from right to left. As you can see here, so they go on increasing as we move from right to left in the binary number. So when we see here 1 into 2 raised to 0, it becomes 1 into 1, that is 1. Again 1 into 2 raised to 1, we know that 2 raised to 1 is 2. So 1 into 2 will be 2. Now 0 into anything is 0, as you know. So we will take it as 0. Next 1 into 2 raised to 3. So 2 raised to 3 is 8. 2 into 2 means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So it will be 8. So we will write here 8. 1 into 8 will be 8. Now whatever digits we have achieved, we will add all these digits. So 1 plus 2 plus 0 plus 8. After adding, what answer we get? We get 11. So the answer will be 11. Therefore 1011 to the base 2 will be equal to 11 to base 10, and this is the answer. Okay children, hope you all have understood. Thank you. If you have any problem, do contact me. Thank you.